How to delete Facebook search history. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the search bar you see there at top of your screen and you will see the search history in here. So tap on the see all option you see there and you will then see the option for clear all on the top right of your screen. Tap on the clear all option and in the confirmation that appears, tap on clear all again. And with this, as you can see, all the search history has been cleared. So this is how you can delete Facebook search history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.